Imagine automating your entire blogging process from research to publication while boosting your search engine rankings. Sounds like a dream? With AI tools like Surfer SEO, Phrase, and ScaleNut, this is now a reality. Today, I'll show you how to revolutionize your blogging business using these platforms. Let's dive in. In the competitive world of blogging, consistently producing high-quality SEO-optimized content is crucial. However, this process can be time-consuming and complex. AI-powered tools are transforming the landscape by automating key tasks, allowing you to focus on creativity and strategy. Let's explore 3 AI tools that can elevate your blogging game. First, Surfer SEO. This on-page optimization tool provides data-driven insights to enhance your content's search engine performance. It offers features like keyword analysis, content editing, and SERP analysis, ensuring your posts are optimized for maximum visibility. Phrase streamlines content creation by offering AI-generated content briefs and writing assistance. It helps in researching topics, creating outlines, and optimizing content for SEO, making the writing process more efficient. ScaleNut is an AI-powered platform that assists in content generation, editing, and SEO optimization. Its cruise mode enables rapid drafting of blog posts, while the content editor ensures readability and SEO compliance. These tools collectively automate research, writing, and optimization, allowing you to produce high-quality content with ease. Here's how to integrate these AI tools into your blogging process. For topic research, use Phrase to identify trending topics and generate content briefs, ensuring your posts align with audience interests. Next, for content creation, leverage ScaleNut's AI writer to draft engaging content quickly, utilizing its cruise mode for efficiency. SEO optimization. Employ Surfer SEO to analyze your drafts, providing real-time recommendations for keyword usage, structure, and readability to enhance search rankings. By incorporating these tools, you can streamline your workflow, reduce manual effort, and focus on creating impactful content. To further enhance your blogging business, explore Toolkay.com, the ultimate AI tool marketplace. Toolkay offers comprehensive listings. Access a wide range of AI tools across various categories, including content creation, SEO, and marketing. User reviews and ratings. Make informed decisions based on feedback from other users. Regular updates. Stay ahead with the latest tools and features in the AI landscape. With Toolkay, discovering and integrating the perfect AI tools for your blogging needs has never been easier. Embracing AI in your blogging business can significantly boost productivity and content quality. Start by integrating Surfer SEO, Phrase, and ScaleNut into your workflow, and explore additional resources on Toolkay.com. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and share your experiences with AI tools in the comments below. Let's elevate your blogging journey together.